Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and change ticket to date on Air Arabia. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in airarabia.com. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change ticket date on Air Arabia. So basically what you need to do is go to your bookings. So first of all, go to your account when you're here on the, of course, click on login, and then of course log into your account. Now, when we're in the dashboard, as you can see, we have my reservations. At the moment, I don't have any, but when you have some, they will be here. Now, when you have it in your reservations, you can of course see the one that you of course booked. You can then go and of course choose your new travel date. When you click on modify flight, you can click on that reservation and click on modify flight. Review any fare difference and charge of course a fee that applies, pay any applicable changes and confirm the change. Then you'll receive an update in of course indicated by the email that of course everything has been done. One important thing, most bookings can also be changed by contacting Air Arabia call center, visiting a sales office, or through the travel agent you booked with. The deadline and fees depends on your fare type. The basic is usually 24 hours, so basically or 72 hours for flights to, of course, or from Morocco. So keep that in mind also. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.